Hey, plant enthusiasts! Welcome back to Nature Love. Today, we are diving into a gardening secret that will not only save you money but will also turn you into a propagation pro. Yup, you heard it right. Don't waste your money on new plants. Propagate them at home instead. Stick around because we are about to unveil the wonderful way to do it. But before we get our hands dirty, let's sprinkle some knowledge on this subject. Did you know that plant propagation isn't just a gardening trick? It's backed by science. Researchers have found that certain plants like kiwi and avocado can be propagated with fantastic results. Now, how cool is that? So, folks, the next time someone tells you that gardening isn't rocket science, tell them it's even cooler. It's plant propagation science. Now, let's get to the nitty gritty of propagating your favorite plants. We are going to break it down into 3 simple steps. It's so easy, even your pet rock could do it. First things first, create the perfect environment for your plant babies. Think of it like setting up a cozy nursery for them. It's all about ambience, baby. For instance, avocados love a warm and sunny spot, just like your favorite beach vacation. Now, here comes the magic touch, the actual propagation process. It's like giving your plants a VIP ticket to colonial paradise. Spoiler alert, no magic wands involved. Just a bit of TLC. Take your kiwi for example. Did you know you can grow a whole kiwi plant from just a tiny seed? It's like nature's little surprise party. And now, the green finale. Patience. Imagine waiting for your favorite TV show to drop its next season. It's the same principle, folks. Your patience will be rewarded with flourishing, happy plants. Avocado and kiwi trees, in particular, may take some time, but trust me, it's worth the wait. Remember, patience is a virtue, especially in the world of plants. It's like waiting for that perfect cup of coffee. Good things take time. And there you have it, my green thumbed friends. Propagating plants at home, not only a budget friendly hack, but also a satisfying journey watching your garden grow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and join our ever growing plant loving community. Until next time, keep your plants happy, your humor thriving, and your thumbs green. This is Mishi Han signing off. Happy planting!